Hi guys, this is Mr. Pharma. The pharma industry is a huge domain and has a multiple sub-industries and companies which plays a key role in the healthcare and medical sector. Though there are many pharma companies and business, there is always a confusion what are the pharma companies or pharma business that are present globally. So today we have categorized the global pharma companies and businesses into 6 simple categories. Watch this video fully to understand the types of pharma companies and businesses that are present globally. Welcome guys, this is Pharma Portal, the pharma you need to know, share and grow. The first pharma company or business is the medicines manufacturing business. The medicines manufacturing business includes production and processing of drugs. Pharma manufacturing is classified into three major categories: drugs or biological substance manufacturing, which is subcategorized as raw materials manufacturing, API manufacturing, and excipients manufacturing. The second subcategory is the drug and biologics product manufacturing, which involves of new drug product manufacturing and generics. And the third subcategory is the pharmaceutical service providers. The medicines manufacturing business is applicable for herbal medicines as well, and we will not be discussing about food and dietary supplements here. In medicines manufacturing, the first subcategory is API and excipients manufacturing. Drug raw materials manufacturing is also called API manufacturing or bulk drugs manufacturing. What are bulk drugs or API? They are the main ingredients and active component of the medicinal product that bring the medicinal effect of drugs. The manufacturing of active ingredient in bulk is called the bulk drugs or API manufacturing. Companies like Biocon, Aarti Drugs are few of the major players in this domain. Similar to the API manufacturing, the excipients are also being manufactured by many companies, which is essential for a medicinal product. Excipients are the materials that are other than the active ingredients which are used to make the drug products. The second and important manufacturing business subcategory is the medicinal products manufacturing. The medicinal product denotes here both drug products and biological products. Medicinal product manufacturing is categorized into three subcategories. First is the manufacturing of new drugs. The manufacturing of a new drug for a disease involves a lot of capital in research and development. The major new drug manufacturers are mainly the big pharma companies like Pfizer, AstraZeneca, etc. Second is the generic drugs manufacturing. A generic drug is a medication created to be the same as the existing approved brand name drug. The manufacturing of a generic medicine is a major business in India that grows rapidly with a good return of investment. Third is providing services for pharma manufacturing companies like loan licensing. The second major pharma company and business division is the medical device surgical products manufacturing. A medical device is any device that is intended to be used for medicinal purpose. The current market size of a medical device industries in India is estimated to be around $11 billion. The market size is expected to grow around 50 billion by 2025. Medtronic, Johnson & Johnson, Thermo Fisher are some of the leaders in this pharma medical device sector. Surgical products are used in surgeries and related work. The medical and surgical industry's importance has been well received after the COVID-19 pandemic. If you are a pharma graduate and if you didn't get a job in drug manufacturing segment, definitely medical device is a perfect segment to look for. The third and another important pharma company and business is the pharma distribution. Pharma distribution is a business and acts as a link between the pharma company and the retail store. After COVID-19 pandemic, due to demand and supply of medicines and medical devices, this business is blooming more than ever. Pharma distribution can be subclassified as wholesaler, stockist, substockist, carry and forward, and distributor. We have explained more about pharma distribution in detail in another video. You must definitely watch this video. The fourth important pharma company business is the pharma marketing business. Pharma marketing in short means selling the drug product of a pharma company to the customer or patient via retailer. Marketing refers to the different approaches used to appeal a new patient and increase the awareness around a specific drug or treatment. Industries use various techniques for the promotion of their drugs and can be divided into two sections: the traditional pharmaceutical marketing, which is subclassified as advertisement, sponsorship, personal selling, and the second one is the digital pharmaceutical marketing, which is subclassified as social media promotion and e-detailing. The fifth and another major and most preferred pharma company business is the pharma retail. Pharma retail denotes the sale of pharmaceutical products, which include the over the counter drugs and the prescription drugs. India is a home to around 1.3 billion people, and the demand in supplying medicines is crucial. And this is one solid business that ensures the return of investment depending on many factors such as location, doctor tie up, etc. Due to higher demands, the big franchises are pitching in this business, such as Apollo Pharmacy, MedPlus, Amazon, etc. The sixth and the final pharma company business is the cosmetic products manufacturing. The cosmetic industry is the industry that manufactures and distributes cosmetic products such as makeup, lipsticks, etc. India retail cosmetics is projected to grow at a CAGR of over 16% and to reach approximately around 26,000 billion by 2024. The development of online retail and increasing attraction of men towards skincare and other grooming products is expected to drive the retail cosmetics market. Hindustan Unilever, Imami, L'Oreal, Godrej, etc. are some of the major players in this segment. If we have missed out any specific segment, mention them in the comment section. We will dedicatedly create a video on that particular segment. Hope you liked this video. Encourage us by hitting the like button. If you have any question, post it in the comments and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notifications from our Pharma Portal channel. Bye.